What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. Today we're showing off some cases, baby. Some cases for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. I'm going to be pushing out videos every day this week just to show you guys some of the cases I have. I'm going to show about 7, and then at the end I'm going to show you all of them and say which one I'd recommend the most. But these videos are just so you guys, if you're looking for a case and you want to know what's good to get, how much they cost, that's what these videos are for. So if any of this content is going to be helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're new, definitely hit that subscribe button, and if you're returning, hit that like button. But you're going to see how the phone fits, how bulky it's going to be, can you access all your buttons, so on and so forth. Spidey, he's my official timekeeper. You already know what's up with him. He's been on point with it with these cases videos, so his pay is going to go up a little bit. He's going to get a little bit of promotion. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Now, this is the official tissue Samsung S Pen case. Okay, you can get this case off of Amazon.com, or you can get it from Samsung.com. But at least on Amazon, it's going for about $62 right now. So not too bad. But I got it from Amazon, or correction, I got it from Samsung with the S Pen. So it's a pretty good deal. You got your cutout for your camera. You got your S Pen holder, which is detachable, by the way. Hold on. So it is detachable. So if you don't want this on here, you can take it off. You are going to have this weird little sliced cutout right here, but it is what it is. This case is pretty flimsy. It's a fold over case. You won't be able to see your screen when you put it on. You can access your buttons with no issue, and you have that pretty decent size cutout for your charging port. All right, this is the S Pen. Obviously this is not a part of the case, but this is S Pen and this is the S Pen holder. I don't know any other function besides putting this on here that you can do with this, but it is what it is. If you want to carry them separately, you have that option to do so. So let me put this back on here. Boom, and it snaps in pretty quick, so it's not gonna come off. Let's see if the S Pen will come out. Yeah, so you gotta shake it pretty decent for it to come out, so I don't see you really losing your S Pen using this case. So let's snap this bad boy in. All right, so this is what it's gonna look like. You won't be able to see your phone, or at least the screen, with this thing's closed. So this is what it's gonna look like. You got it raised up a little bit because the S Pen is back here. And then if you open your phone all the way, you're gonna have some extra flappage right here. You're gonna have some hangover, but it's cool, it's okay, not a big deal. One thing I do not like about this case is that right there, having this S Pen on here enough, it will wear the leather a little bit, not as far as the way it looks, but it'll pull the case, at least the cover flap, to the side a little bit. So when you sit it down on the table, it's gonna always activate your screen, and you have this screen a little bit exposed. And it's kind of annoying because if I want this case, it has a flap which protects the front screen, but when it slides over a little bit, something can hit the screen. It didn't do it that time. But a simple way to get around that is take this off, and you won't really have that issue because the weight of the S Pen is not pulling down on the cover flap. But it's a pretty flush camera cutout. It's actually indented in there, so it's no raise in as far as the camera bump. So when you lay it flat on the table, there's no rockage. You can get to all your cutouts pretty simple. There's nothing right here blocking because it's just the phone right here, but you can get to your volume up and down rocker and your power button and fingerprint sensor. Like I said, this is what it's going to look like at the bottom. The cutout is there, and I got the all black one. So I got a deal when I first got this phone on Amazon or Samsung.com. So I think it's definitely a good case to have, definitely for that S Pen right here. But there's other cases that can hold an S Pen, which we will get to one of those in a different video. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. If this is a case you're interested in, you see, this is bothering me. I'm OCD, man. This is bothering me. Just close and stay closed. But whatever. Spidey, we good on time? Bow, bow, bow. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.